guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I'm going to be doing a little short vlog video. So I'm going to be showing you guys just a day in my life during quarantine and summer break. So summer has started for me, school's all over for me, so days can get a little boring, but I have plenty of YouTube stuff going on, and yeah, so yeah, let's just get into this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take a shower because I look like actual cow dung. Yeah. And right now it's 7 a.m. So I just got out of the shower and let's just put these on. Nope, they're not gonna work. They never work. Look at that lighting. Look at that lighting. So now I'm going to edit a video since it's still morning. Yeah, let's do that. I have to take off my nail polish. Yeah. So yeah, first we have to take off these bad boys because yeet, ain't nobody gonna be taking a video of that. Actually, I did take a video of these yesterday. Okay, so now I have all my nails all done, and now I can finally go edit a video. Yes, let's go edit a video. Y'all, okay, so earlier I said I was only gonna edit for an hour, and I started at 8 a.m. and now it's 9, so I'm almost done editing, and I'm like happy because it's only taking me an hour to edit, which is amazing. Okay, let's just save this, audio detach. I'm just gonna bring you along with this. Here, do you want to watch me edit? I should do like how I edit my videos because it'll be like an hour-long video. Cool. Okay, let's just turn this down. Yes, by the way, I edit using Filmora, Wondershell Filmora, and Filmora 9. Yay, it's exporting! Time for some breakfast. Sometimes I'll have toast, but right now I'm having these organic honey cornflakes. They're actually the best things you'll ever eat, so you should get some. They're by Nature's Path Organic. I don't think anyone wants to watch me eat, but I'm gonna eat. Anyway, you're gonna have to watch it. Huh. All done eating. Bye. Let's do something worthwhile, my time. Oh look, I see these. So I'm contemplating if I should open these on like a separate video. But you know what? I'm just gonna unbox these on this video. It doesn't have to be an actual unboxing video. You know what? Yeah. So I got these boxes for my birthday and I haven't even opened them up. Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to Nelly Welly's unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing these super fun Our Generation outfits. We have the Sunshine and Stars pack and the Dance Party pack. Oh, well, wowie people, we have got this thing unboxed. Now look at this adorable little dress. Isn't this so cute? It is a ribbon and it is blue. It has polka dots. There are even some shoes. I think these are perfect for the 50s. And this record, you know this record actually? Okay, you know what? See this record player? I made this record player for AG&DM, and I got eliminated by the way. But yeah, so this would actually fit on here. It's like ginormous, but yeah, look at this cute record. Like it looks better than what I made. Actually, no, it doesn't. Whatever. Anyway, it's a record. Nelly Welly's, or was it Nelly Smelly's? Nelly Smelly's tour reviews has now ended. So, oh, her bag dropped. Okay, so this is what Mindy looks like in the outfit. And the funny thing is that these shoes, I have the exact same thing, but in yellow. Anyway, it's cute. Oh, everything's falling. These are the sunglasses, and this is the bag, and you can put things in the actual bag. I think that's really cute. And there's this pinwheel that I was playing with for like 2 minutes straight, just like this. So yeah, I just opened up these outfits. Let's do something else. So, yeet, I'm going downstairs. I jumped a few stairs. I know, I'm like, okay. Let's go back on the computer and let's play some Roblox because I'm bored. I don't know what to do. Well, I'm bored. You know what? Maybe I should just work on my American Girl music video. Yes, so I can't tell you what song it is, but what I can tell you is that it's a sad song and it's a good song though. So I've been working on my American Girl music video for a while, and yeah, we're in the middle of changing outfits for Mindy here. Yeah. Alright, so I finished working on my American Girl music video, and now I'm just heading downstairs to edit because it's very, 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 very hot outside, and now I'm very sad. So I'm probably gonna be down here editing for the next like 5 hours, so yeah, see you then. Here I'm eating lunch. I have this Reuben sandwich and these salt and vinegar chips. Okay, so I finished editing my American Girl music video, and I also watched an episode of Blue Bloods with my sister, and it's currently 3:37 p.m. and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I think I'm going to export and just finalize my American Girl music video, and then something else. You know, I might binge some YouTube. Dude, so it's kind of late. Well, it's getting late. It's already 5. It's 4:59. This is a struggle. Okay. Anyway, it's 4:59. Ew, you had to zoom in on my nose. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, yeah, I think it's gonna rain. Well, I finished editing my American Girl music video. I don't know if I should post it before this video or after this video. I have an incredible amount of videos stocked up that I want to post, and like, yeah, I have like a month's, 2 months worth of videos, but whatever, I keep making videos every day. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna practice some eyeshadow. Yeah, I look kind of bad in eyeshadow, honestly. Okay, let me tell you a funny story. Like, several people always think I'm wearing eyeshadow just because of the way my eyelids are. Like, look kind of like, not this lighting's kind of bad, but like, also in person it looks like I have eyeshadow on when I don't. But you know, whatever. By the way, I have this ColourPop double entendre palette, and it's eyeshadow. And there was 2 versions of these. So there was like, since it says double entendre, I'm guessing there's like one, and then there's another. So like this one has colors, but then there's another one that has the exact same name but has different colors. But I like this one. It really suits my skin tone. Yeah. I want more freckles. Do my glasses help cover up my stinky makeup job? Nope. No, it's still stinky. Well, I'm gonna end this video because I'm bored and I don't feel like making it anymore. Let me know if you think this boring day was actually interesting on this video. Okay guys, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of boring. I mean, life's boring over here, but today, actually, the day that I'm filming this, the day after the day I made this video, the video that you just watched was actually more interesting than yesterday. But yeah, I'm really bad at everything. Just yeah. Okay, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below because I love talking to you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I'm not gonna yell because I'm outside and the lady is in her yard over there. So yeah. Enjoy the video. Watch my hair. Subscribe and like the video, and most of all, share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.